What's going on YouTube? Back here with another video today. In today's video we have something a little different because I'm not even sure what's going on. I basically came home from work and found these two boxes in the middle of my garage floor. One says open first and this one says open second. I have no idea what that was about, so I called my wife and she told me to just open them up. I have no idea what to expect, so I guess I'm going to set up the tripod somewhere and start opening the first box. Alright, so let's dig in. Wonder if this is some merch stuff that she bought me. I talked about making some t-shirts for the channel. I wonder if she has some t-shirts made. I definitely need some. Let's see what we got. So we got some paint packing peanuts in a box inside a box. What? Dude, that is sick. If you guys don't know what this is the JC Customs pulley bridge. How the heck did she get this? This thing is beautiful. Damn. This is sweet. I don't know how the heck she got this thing, but this is sick, guys. Look at that thing. Woo. How in the hell? I have no idea how she got this, guys. This thing is beautiful. That is sweet. Damn. Let's see what's in this box underneath. I don't know what else she could have possibly got me. Get it open. What the hell? How the heck is... Alright, something's going on. There ain't no way she bought all this stuff. This is the adapter plate for the GT500 M122 swap. And this thing is a freaking beefy piece. Holy shit, wasn't expecting it to be so heavy. This thing is sweet. There is no way she bought all this stuff. Something's going on now. This is sick. She must have been listening when I was talking to her because she knew I wanted one of these. Been talking about it quite a bit. But this thing is nice. This is definitely pretty sweet. Yeah, this is the adapter plate that lets you run an M122 or GT500 blower. Of course, JC Customs makes it, and it's a really nice piece. And he can make it for the stock or trick intercooler, so that's pretty cool. But yes, we've definitely been wanting this and been wanting to do this for quite a while. I've been talking about it a lot, so she must have been listening, and her and JC got to be in on this together. There's no way she did all this by herself. No freaking way. No way she got that. I mean, she could have got that. Maybe she bought that with some money she's been saving. There's no way she got that in the pulley bridge. Because this is sick. This is awesome. I don't even want to know what's in the other box anymore. Like, this is crazy. This is too much, guys. Is there anything? Oh, there's stuff in the peanuts too. What the hell? Okay, hardware, the O-ring, all that stuff. Looks good. What other stuff's in here? Alright, yeah, hardware. So, man, that's sick. That's awesome. It's really gonna help light a fire under my butt to get moving on the swap. Get some baseline numbers so we can get this thing swapped over. That's sick. Alright, now I need to see how the heck she did all this. I need to hurry up and open these boxes so I can call her up. This is crazy. Alright, let's get to this next box. I can get an explanation, because ain't no freaking way. Something's going on. My spider senses are tingling here. I don't know what the heck can be in this box. What? You gotta be kidding me. Holy shit. You guys are too much. Ain't no freaking way this was just her. Oh, we got a JC Customs hat. Been needing one of those. My hat's a little worn out, as you can see. I don't know how much you guys can see, but got the pulley for the pulley bridge. Of course, the GT500 blower. Holy crap, this is crazy. Oh, stuff inside. Oh, the other pulley for the pulley bridge. Man, this is sick. Got the elbow, GT500 blower. Holy shit, guys. What in the hell? This is crazy. This is insane. I was not expecting all of this today. Holy shit. Alright, I hate these kind of boxes. Okay. What we got here? Oh, okay. Idle air adapter, it looks like. Oh, and the throttle body adapter. That is awesome. So we have basically everything we need to do the swap now. Man, that's crazy. So this adapts your throttle body from the Lightning to the M122 blower. And this is for your idle air control valve, I think. Yeah, should be. The two pulleys for the pulley bridge. But this is crazy. What in the hell? I can't believe this. This is insane. I definitely gotta call her and see what's going on. Let me show you guys. Before I do, let me show you. This is crazy. Got everything I need to do the swap now. We got the mid plate over there. GT500 blower here. And of course, we can paint it some crazy color. You guys can leave a comment below and tell me what color we should paint it. Maybe we should stick with the orange. Do something different. I have no idea because I wasn't this far into the planning stage. So now we really got to get things moving. Man, this is awesome. Throttle body adapter plate. And these pulleys look really good too. Pulleys for our idler bridge. Oh, it comes with the bearings too. Cool. You got to worry about that. So it looks like we got some stuff to put on the truck now, but let me make a phone call, get an explanation for you guys, and I'll be right back. So I gotta see what's going on. Okay, so just got off the phone with the wife. I think my suspicions are correct because she sent me a video that I'm supposed to watch and react to. She just said to film myself reacting to this video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be putting this video in this video or not, or what's going on. So if I'm gonna put it in the video, it'll be up on the screen. If not, I'm gonna go ahead and film myself reacting to this video. So let's see what we got. Let's see if I can figure out how to open it. There we go.
Hey Sean, what's up, man? It's your boy JC. How you doing?
I knew it.
So a while ago we started the discount program for Debtlife, the promo code they use for pushing my products on wherever you want, really. And in return, you know, we discussed that you would get some stuff. So you have done such an amazing job that I wanted to do something extra special for you. So without further ado, I just want to say thank you. And man, you mean a lot to me because not everybody that has joined this program has done what you've done. You're the only one that's done what you've done. You've made a lot of sales. I won't get into the specifics of how many, but it is far more than anybody else. So without further ado, let me show you what I got for you. Boom. I've been talking to your wife, and she said that you wanted to do a GT500 swap. So I'm gonna give you a GT500 plate. I'm also gonna throw in my billet pulley bridge with the pulleys.
Awesome.
And a hat. So I hope that that works for you. And man, I just can't say thank you enough. And for pushing all my stuff. And maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll give you that old shirt right there. Actually, I don't know. What's under that shirt? I don't know. You want this old shirt? It's got chips on it. It's got stains. It's the only shirt I had, but I don't know. Maybe there's more. Boom! Oh yeah, that's right. You're getting this blower. 5.8 SVT blower.
Yeah.
Woo-wee! And there's the elbow right there behind it holding the bridge up. But yeah, man, you're getting all this. A whole complete top end for your truck. I'm gonna get this sent out to you so you can get this done in time for the meet in August. And dude, I just wanted to say thank you again one more time, because you are awesome and you have done more than anybody that has joined this program, and I just wanted to reward you with some badass shit for your truck. One last time. Woo-wee.
That's awesome.
That's all yours, buddy. I appreciate you, brother. Be safe, and thanks for the support like always.
Dude, you are way too much. Words can't even describe. I really appreciate it. That's sick. That is awesome. I'm glad I can help. I mean, that's what this is all about. That's the whole reason I joined, just to kind of help a brother out, you know. But that's crazy. I did not expect all this. I didn't need all this. I definitely appreciate it, but that's awesome, man. I really appreciate it. Words can't describe it. I can't wait to get this thing going, get that thing up to you so I can show you what it do, you know. But thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. I don't even know what else to say. I'm like super cringy when it comes to this kind of stuff, like Christmas and all that stuff. I hate it, but this is sick, man. I appreciate it. If you don't already know, this channel is sponsored by JC Customs. You just seen the man. He is a machinist that makes all kinds of badass parts for our Lightnings and our trucks, as well as all kinds of other platforms as well. Sky's the limit. You can hit him up with your needs and he can probably make it. But he does have a pretty good existing product line for our trucks, for our Lightnings and Harleys, as you can see right there. We'll do some little cinematic shots of what we got, but hit him up and use code Debtlife and you'll save 10% off your order, and you'll earn me perks just like this. I mean, this is from you guys using my code with JC. You're also helping support small business. I mean, this dude's a one-man show, does everything by himself, and he's hustling. I don't know anyone that hustles harder than JC does. And he's a good dude, well worth it. I mean, if you're gonna spend your money anywhere, spend it with small business and good dudes like JC, because that's where I feel like it's needed the most. I mean, that's why I joined this little program. I wanted to help him out as much as I could. I had no idea it would help him this much, apparently, to earn all this. Like, had no idea that this would get so big. This is cool. This is really, really cool, guys. So I had to pull the truck back in because it started raining, but I still can't say enough how much I appreciate it, Joel. Like, super sick. I'm not real good at expressing things like this. Like, never been good with Christmas and stuff like that. Just, it makes me feel awkward, and I'm just an awkward person, I guess, in general anyways. But yeah, I really do appreciate it, man. This is like super sick. This is beyond anything I could have wished for, hoped for, expected, and all that stuff, you know. Definitely didn't expect it. Super freaking cool. Coming home to all these goodies on the floor, all these JC goodies, you know. How can you get better than that? Got JC goodies waiting for me when I get home. Get some JC goodies on my truck, and hopefully I can get it done before the Lightning meet. That would be pretty sick. Guess I gotta get my ass to work. Also want to give a huge shout out to the wife Ashley, because I'm sure she had a part of this. She knew I wanted the GT500 swap. I don't know how much she put into this, but I appreciate whatever she did, you know, the part that she had in this as well. I mean, this is super cool, guys. I'm super stoked. Not really good at expressing emotion and stuff like this. I'm not real good with surprises and things like this of nature, so super awkward, super weird for me, but I do appreciate it. I wanted to make this video just happy moment, guys. This is super cool. But like I said, make sure y'all go check out JC shop at JC, get some cool shit for your truck. You can see some of the cool stuff we got for our truck. He offers all kinds of stuff too, EGR, delete kits, all kinds of stuff. Use code DebtLife, save that 10% off, and yeah, help support the channel, help support JC. But anyways guys, I made this awkward enough. I appreciate y'all watching. I promise you my videos aren't always this awkward. Like I said, I'm just kind of weird when it comes to this kind of stuff. But drop a like on the video, really helps it out in YouTube's algorithm. Leave a comment down below, let me know if you're excited for what's to come on the channel, the blower install and the pulley bridge install and all the stuff we got coming for the Lightning. And of course, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go down here and click subscribe. Follow us for all kinds of Lightning content and much more content to come. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.